Hey, Mark Nelson from marknelsononline.com. Today, I want to share with you my morning routine, really my day routine. And the reason I'm doing this is because I get asked all the time, how do you start your day? Because I tell you the truth, you either run your day or the day runs you. And that's been proven all your life. But I've done this pretty much since high school. The first thing I do when I get up is I drink a 16-ounce glass of water. I hydrate myself. So your cells have been dehydrated all night. They're crying out for water. So I'll drink 3 or 4 glasses of water, 16-ounce glasses of water before I head out on my day. And then I make sure I drink half my body weight in ounces of water. And I'm somewhat a big man, so I put a lot of water in myself, but I do it for a reason, because I want to be at the top peak I am. Then, after I have my glass of water, what I do is I have a quiet time. See, so many people, what they do is they get in and the first thing they'll do is look at their phone and check their emails. I don't do that. I do look at my phone, though, because I have a Bible app. I read a verse a day, then I read a section of the Bible, and that's just me. Some people meditate, some people do others. What I start out for is, before I read that app, I go through a little gratification thing, what I've been grateful for, and in a lot of it's, I'm grateful. I wake up every morning, but I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for the people I'm going to affect that day. And then I get quiet and I kind of meditate. I kind of go through my vision, what I think. I see myself achieving great things, and I see myself helping others achieve great things. So I kind of get myself set for the day, and I get really, really quiet. And then I plan my day out. I've actually done it the day before. After my quiet time, I journal when I do that. And after my gratitude quiet time, I'll write a few things in my journal. And then I actually, from the night before, I have made a list of things I want to achieve during the day. And I'm going through that, and I might add to it. But I found a habit when I'm going to bed the night before, I ask myself a question. How am I, and what am I going to do? Right now I'm going, how am I going to make my monthly income, make my annual income my monthly income? I just ask that. I let my brain work through that. So after going through setting up my day, I eat breakfast, and that is extremely, extremely important. And I've been a teacher for a long time, and so many kids come to school without eating breakfast. Holy cow, I don't know how they do it. But you got to fuel your body. We drink water. Now you got to get the right foods in there so you can make it throughout the day. And then what I do after that is I go for a walk. I go for about a mile walk before I get out going. I still teach, so I got to get in my car and go. It's at my mobile office. I enjoy teaching, so I know I'm helping kids, so that's what I do. But I'll go for a walk. Stretch out, limber up, and just, that's what I do for my day. So that's how I start my day. And I think it's very important you get into a routine, because you want your life as a purpose. You want to run your day as a purpose. And then at night, all I do is calm myself down. I do not look at my phone or watch TV the last half hour, the half hour prior to going to bed. I'm not a big caffeine drinker, so I don't drink caffeine, but that last half hour is pretty sacred to me, because I don't want my mind racing. And again, as I get down, I ask myself some questions. I want my mind to be working at night, to tell you the truth. I make my list, and then I just ask myself some questions. How am I going to make my annual income my monthly income? And then I do an affirmation. I allow myself to discover the easiest, best, and fastest way to make the most amount of money with the least amount of human effort and zero guilt. And then I go to sleep. So I hope that helps you. Hey, I'm going to put a link down below to join my newsletter in a project I got working on right now. You can go to marknelsononline.com/newsletter, and you can get on my email newsletter, where I send out other tips and actually put these videos on also. So you all take care. Bye.